Here we are just outside the Biomedx Biotorium. We're going to step inside. We're going to see a wall of microscopes. We have 5 workstations here. We have 3 more on another wall with larger screens, but these 5 are set up with 5 different lighting configurations that I wanted to quickly show you. These are our new Olympus microscope systems that have the Biomedx configuration for the work that we do. There are 2 key things that set this scope apart from a stock Olympus system, and that is the incredible camera that we sourced, which we then had the factory engineers tweak the software on it specific for our applications, and we do a little modification for the condenser to give us a higher level of dark field imaging. You'll see more about these things in the other videos. All of the imaging that you see here is done with the exact same microscope, has a universal turret condenser to give us all of these viewing modes, and all of the imaging you've seen here is all done without using oil objectives, which is fantastic because it makes the system painless to use, and there's no cleanup at the end of every client. Let's go back through these briefly. This scope here, this is a live blood view under a bright field mode of the condenser. The iris is stepped down a bit to give us a bit more clarity and depth of field of the image. This is dark field. Has a rich dark black background, good definition. And again, there's no oil being used here. This is a 40x non-oil objective we're looking at. This is phase contrast. Phase contrast doesn't get any better than this. Olympus has the best phase contrast in the business. It's gorgeous. This is our 3D view where we can see some dimensionality in the cells. It's similar to differential interference contrast, which is a pretty expensive addition to a scope, but here it is, something that we can do with our condenser. This last image, this is bright field. Again, this is this is looking at a clot retraction dry blood layer in the bright field mode. So that's a quick intro to the scopes. We'll get into more in the other videos.